Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking beans ki sabji. The beans we are using are called flat hyacinth beans in English. In Hindi, they are called sem ki Phalli or Valor ki Phalli. In different regions of India, these beans have different names. To make it easier for everyone to identify them, we will refer to them by their English name, flat green beans, or simply beans. Kindly subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos, and also check our channel's playlist for more recipes, as this encourages us to make more meaningful videos that are useful for society. Beans and its sabji are highly nutritious, low in calories, low in fat, and packed with dietary fiber, vitamins A, K, and C, folate, and plant-based protein. Beans actively promote heart health, improve digestion, strengthen bones, are excellent for weight management and reduce bad cholesterol in the body. They are also known to improve brain health, support health of eyes, and provide folate, which supports healthy fetal development during pregnancy. Important safety tip: always cook beans thoroughly until they become tender to destroy harmful natural toxins such as lectins and to improve digestibility. Avoid consuming them raw. Wash them thoroughly before use, and trim the stems and damaged ends properly. Store them dry and unwashed in a breathable container or paper bag in your refrigerator. Here's everything we'll need to make this tasty and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready: fresh chopped beans, straight-cut chopped onion, chopped tomato, salt, hing, jaggery, onion ginger chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and grated coconut. Let us now see how this healthy beans ki sabji is made. Place a cooking pan with 2 spoons of oil on the gas stove and let it heat up. Let us add the chopped beans to the heated oil in the cooking pan. We need to stir the beans well so that the oil coats them nicely. Add little more oil if needed so that the beans cook evenly on all sides. Keep on stirring the sabji. We are frying it nicely so that it destroys harmful natural toxins such as lectins. After a few minutes, all the chopped beans will be nicely fried. Take them out onto a plate. Now, we need to add 2 spoons of oil to the cooking pan and let it heat up as well. In 2 minutes, oil will be heated. Once the oil is heated, add the straight-cut chopped onions to the pan. Let the onion cook while stirring slowly. After a while, you will see that the color of the chopped onions has changed to light brown. It is now time to add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Stir the tomatoes well in the pan. Add a little salt and hing to the pan and mix everything well. To allow the ingredients to cook properly, close the lid of the pan. After a minute or two, open the lid of the pan and stir the ingredients well. Add a little jaggery, onion ginger chili powder, and turmeric powder to the ingredients in the pan. And stir ingredients well. Do not let the ingredients stick to the pan, therefore, keep stirring continuously. You can also add a little water to the pan if required and mix well. Place the lid on the pan to allow the ingredients to cook. After a minute, open the lid and stir the ingredients. As the base is becoming a little thick, we will add a little water now and close the lid again. After 1 minute, open the lid and stir the ingredients. It is now time to add our fried beans to the cooking pan. After adding the beans, stir them well with the prepared base so that the masala coats the beans evenly. After the ingredients are mixed well, add garam masala to the cooking pan and keep stirring. Place a steel plate over the cooking pan, add water to the plate, and let our sabji cook on steam. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and stir the sabji. After stirring, add the warm water on the top of the plate into the sabji and stir well. Place the steel plate on top again and let the sabji continue cooking. Remove the plate after 2-3 minutes and stir the sabji well. Add grated coconut to the sabji and mix it well. We need to place the steel plate back again, as the beans are not yet fully cooked. Add a little water on the plate, as we may require it again. Remove the plate after 2 minutes. You can see that the bean sabzi is now cooked beautifully. Stir it once more. Add a little chopped coriander to the sabji and mix it well. We can now switch off the gas stove. Our beans ki sabji is ready to be served hot. You can see how beautifully the sabji is cooked and how vibrant it looks. Add some coriander on top of the serving bowl for garnish. This sabji completes our daily nutritional intake when eaten with roti, chapati, bhakri or fulka. When you have this beans ki sabji, the taste of the beans is simply amazing and you will be tempted to have more of it. Remember, we become what we eat. Therefore, always prefer the quality of food over quantity. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.